Hey there, hope you're doing well. I'm using this video to kick off my Amazon affiliate program journey. So this will essentially serve as an introduction to my journey with the Amazon affiliate program. And I will have a playlist, it will be linked below in this video, which will house all the videos that I create showcasing everything that I'm doing as I try to generate sales, right? And I'm doing it this way so much so that anybody watching who's interested in doing the same can follow and try to replicate whatever I'm doing, especially if I happen to get results, right? Some good results. Bear in mind that I have never successfully actually gone through the process of become a fully fledged Amazon affiliate, and I'll explain that shortly what I mean when I say becoming a full-fledged Amazon affiliate, when I break down what the program how the program works in general in terms of becoming an affiliate. All right, now if you join me for the first time, welcome. My name is Christian. Welcome to my channel. I am Christian M. This is a place where I decided to document my journey to financial independence, right? And I'm doing it in a way, at least my goal is to do it in a way that anybody watching can follow suit, right? And by financial independence, we're just simply trying to get to the point where we're generating enough in passive income to cover our living expenses, right? So if that kind of stuff is of interest to you, please do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every single time I release a new video, okay? Now, affiliate marketing is one of the vehicles that I decided to use to help me get to that point of financial independence. And to be more specific, niching down, Amazon is, the Amazon affiliate program is one of the programs that I decided to highlight and use, and not because it's like the greatest thing on earth, right? Like the greatest affiliate program out there, but mainly because it's one that has a lower barrier to entry, one that is accessible to anyone who's looking to get started with affiliate marketing. I don't anticipate making tons of money with this, but at least it will be something that can add to the pot, right? Something that's that can add to the pot. Now, let me show you a comment that I received in a previous video that I just want to show that I'm, show myself coming through with something that I had mentioned, right? So in one of my previous videos I created, I talked about the easiest way to make money on YouTube even if you have no subscribers, and I essentially talked about affiliate marketing being one of those ways that you can do that. Now, one of the comments I got, just want to shout out here, Highlight Money Media. He did say, or she did say, because I don't know whether it's a guy or a girl. The thing with affiliates is that a lot of them require you to have a following, whether it's subscribers or a lot of views. I guess Amazon, because I did mention Amazon as a good, as a viable method. He said, I guess Amazon, but you have a certain amount of time to make a sale before they cancel your ability to sell. Okay, so I'm going to explain exactly what he is referring to right there when I break down, just give you like a brief rundown of the Amazon affiliate program. And my response to that was that while that might be the case, there is an endless amount of affiliate programs out there that don't require any kind of following or views, which you can join to make some decent money with, right? As for Amazon, they give you 180 days, right? So this is what he's referring to with regards to, or she, I don't know this, let me just say they, right? With regards to, the certain amount of time, to make a sale before they cancel your ability, right? So I did respond here explaining that they give you 180 days to make 3 qualified sales, which is plenty of time, in my opinion, right? To make the necessary sales to stay signed up to their, affiliate associates program. And I did essentially kind of promise, but this was something that I was going to be doing anyway. It's not like I'm doing it because of this question, but I did mention here that I am actually going to be joining the Amazon affiliate program and putting myself to the test with making the required 3 sales within 180 days. And I'll be doing it with a brand new YouTube channel, which I will create here. Not in this video, in another video, right? And we'll be looking forward to seeing how that turns out. I'll also have the occasional Amazon product I'll promote on this channel, which is still incredibly small. I'll be sure to share my journey and results over the 180 days. So this is me following through or making good on that, I guess, quote unquote promise, right? I'm essentially starting today. So today is going to be the first day of those 180 days, which should carry me all the way through, I believe, the end of last day of May or so. Okay. So we'll see how that goes. I will essentially be starting from scratch, right? Bear in mind, I have never actually, successfully become an Amazon affiliate, which is like a fully fledged Amazon affiliate, which is why I'm doing that now. Otherwise, if I already had if I already was a fully fledged Amazon affiliate, then I wouldn't, I wouldn't be applying again, right? So just to give you a brief rundown, right, and why I chose like this, the Amazon affiliate program, in my opinion, is a pretty low barrier to entry, okay, and at least a much lower. It's a lower barrier to entry than, say, the Amazon influencer program, all right, which requires a few more hoops to go through, and that is going to be something that I'm also going to hop on in the long run, right? Once we get to that point, once we're eligible to start applying for that. But I'm starting off with the Amazon affiliate program because you don't need to have a big following. So basically, they'll allow anybody to apply, okay? They'll allow anybody to apply, and you basically have 180 days, as I explained there, to make those 3 qualified sales, after which they will allow you to stay on as an affiliate. So I guess what he's referring to here, like he mentioned, or she, I keep saying that, like, what they're referring to here is the fact that, and I suspect maybe they might have tried this already and weren't able to make the necessary sales within that time frame. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm doing. Like, I'll reveal the new channel that I'm creating and what I'm doing to generate those sales, even though I don't have even though that new channel won't have a following, right? It will be a brand new channel. If I do generate some sales where I have a tiny following, it might come from this channel, right? And I believe Amazon does have ways to designate like tracking IDs or with the affiliate link, so you kind of have an idea of where the sales are coming from. So I'll designate unique IDs to the affiliate links that I put on this channel versus the brand new channel, right? So if I find out that it's any different, I'll let you know. But like I said, I'm learning. I'm figuring it out as I go, right? But I do have some experience as an affiliate promoting other things, which is why I feel pretty confident that I would be able to make those sales within those 180 days, okay? Of course, I'm not only going to rely on my YouTube channel. There might be other avenues for me to promote. I will use them, okay? I will make use of them. All right. So this is just the beginning. We will see how I will share everything I'm doing. Like I said, I'll share the new channel that I create, how I'm creating the videos, how I'm promoting, right? Like what strategies that I'm using to get to give myself the best chance to generate sales, okay? So I will go through the process of signing up for an account. I'll do that in a separate video and showing you everything from scratch, so you see everything all the way from the beginning. Like I said, this is a journey, kind of like a challenge, but we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty confident that I should be able to make those sales. Typically, I would have been starting, like, say, maybe at the first of the year. I would have wanted to do that, so I just start on a clean slate. But I do kind of want to take advantage of the Christmas period. I would encourage you to do same as well. Sales tend to be higher then, because the good thing about the Amazon affiliate program, if you're not aware, is that even though the commissions are really small, if somebody goes through your affiliate link to buy whatever it is that you're promoting, and then they end up buying other items, right, as well, you will get the commission on their entire basket. Okay, so as long as you're the one that sent them to Amazon, and they purchase other things other than what you were promoting, you will get all the commissions there. And of course, this is the Christmas period, so people are buying in bulk, right? Trying to save on shipping or whatever the case may be, but they're buying a lot, right? So that's why I'm starting now, hopefully trying to catch that wind, that Christmas wind, right? With some of the trending products. And I will share every single thing that I'm promoting, right? Obviously that's going to bring competition to me if people decide to copy and all that type stuff. But the one thing that I have learned is that generally speaking, most people will watch videos and look at the stuff, but they just won't implement, right? They'll just look at it. So that's what I'm kind of banking on. But hopefully you guys, or you in particular, I'm talking to you watching right now, hopefully if you're not, the lazy type, or if you're not the one that doesn't do anything, then hey, you can take full advantage of this. All right. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch. As usual, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to get started learning how to, promote products on social media, even digital products, check out that first link in the description below this video. And I will catch you in my next one. Ciao.